Welcome to Baseball Glove Repairs, owned and operated by Torrance Batting Cages. Back in the 1970s, my father started our first batting cage location, and shortly after that we began to see the need of the baseball glove repairs in our local area. Today, customers can go onto our website and request a quote for a complete relace, deep conditioning and cleaning, leather dye, extra padding. We now offer complete interior replacement of your glove, so we can take your old glove and really create a brand new glove out of it. Thanks to our Baseball Glove Repairs website, it's easier for customers all over the United States to get their favorite glove repaired or restored by mail. They can simply go onto our contact page, upload a couple of photos of your glove, tell us what services you're interested in, and our specialists will email back promptly with a quote. Once your glove gets to our shop, we have it serviced quickly. It usually takes about 24 to 48 hours to get it back into the mail to you. For our local clients, they can even drop in and we can do most repairs even while they wait. Thank you for checking out our Baseball Glove Repairs website. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care and God bless.